Okay guys, we are headed into Home Depot. We're gonna get our plumbing stuff. We're gonna start back on our bathroom. Okay, I'll tell you what I did. I printed out everything I needed to pick up and wrote down what aisle and all that. So most of what we're gonna get is on aisle 9 or aisle 9. So we got to get down there. Okay guys, gotta pay attention. This is what we need, a 90. 2-inch 90, but look at this 2-inch 90. It has threads. So when you bind, just kind of pay attention to that kind of stuff. Okay, we got to pick us up some pipe thread, tape, and then we've got to have some plumber's putty. Plumber's putty. Well, they don't have any of the cheap plumber's putty. We'll get this one. It's all messed up. We don't want one that's messed up. Okay. Okay. Got all that. That's for the kitchen sink because I've got to rerun the water, move it over, and then this is for the vent pipe right now in the bathroom. I have 2 pipes, a 2-inch pipe and a 1-inch pipe. So we got just 2 foot of them because I think we can work with what we've got. We just need a little added, okay? Now we're gonna get us, I believe it's a 2-inch long sweep. Nope, that's what we need. Okay, keep looking. 2-inch long sleeve with the T-valve, we don't need that. Okay, there's gonna be another one I guess I've got to look for, guys. I'll be back when I find it. That's right in front of my eyes. Long sweep. Because it's going to haul our water, so we want it to kind of go and do, not have to come and do a quick turn. There we go. This is the other thing we need, guys. This will be coming where the water's coming out, and see it'll flow straight down. Whoops. Flow straight down like that, and then the air, because air is separate from water, will be able to rise. Okay. Now we've got to go on aisle 8. We need to look in bay 20, which is right here. Bay 20. And we're needing a little bitty short 12-inch that has a male on one end and female on the other. Okay, let me find it and I'll be back. Okay guys, we're leaving. Didn't get everything we wanted. The last 2 things I didn't show you because they didn't have exactly what I had wanted. So we'll be back to the drawing board for those, but we have quite a bit.